Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video, we will talk about the proposed seat matrix for MD, DM and MCH. We will do the comparison of seat matrix from last year and we'll see how many seats are incremented, what will be the impact of the seat increment in the cutoff, and when the counseling is going to get started. Okay. So stay tuned with us and please subscribe this channel if you are new here. In case you are looking for any kind of support in the counseling process, we have packages. You can take the counseling guidance package. In the package which is highlighted, we provide the step-by-step guidance in every process, which includes registration process, analysis, probability analysis, choice preference order, knowing the details about the colleges. In case you would like to talk to the students or institute, we can share the number also, upgradation process and everything in a step-by-step manner. Some packages are giving you access to the data, fee structure, stipend, bond, cutoff, seat details, allotment and all such things. You can take those packages. For that, you need to visit on neetmentor.co.in, and for any kind of guidance, you can contact us or send WhatsApp message on 9319128677. Okay, here in the portal you can see the closing rank for different institutes in different courses, what is the fee, how much is stipend, and bond, cutoff, all those details. Considering last year, the seat matrix which got published right now is not the final seat matrix. It's kind of like a seat matrix which is given by NB, and they ask the institutions, okay, to confirm it whether they have this number of seats. Okay, then finally the seat matrix will be published on MCC platform. Okay, so totally right now the seat matrix says for DM and MCH, the seat matrix is not published for DRNB. Totally 4034 seats are there. Okay, this is official data I'm telling you. Last year when they published the seat matrix separately for DM and MCH, where it includes the seats available in government colleges, deemed university, and private colleges, no DRNB seats. Totally it was 3608 seats. So totally 426 seats are incremented in the private institutes and government institutes. Okay, out of 426, approx 70 seats are incremented in government. Mostly the seats are added in the private institution, 360 seats in private institution. And if you see how many percentage, it's more than 10%. Around 12% seats are incremented, roughly 10 to 12%, which is good seat increment. But we see there is a seat increment, so it will result in the positive shift. But there are other factors also, like the examination happened after long gap. This year of 2025, still we are calling it a NEET SS 2024, because in 24 exam didn't get conducted, so it got conducted in 25. Okay, so the session is late, more competition, but still you can see somewhat positive shift in comparison with the last year. Those who are not qualified, they can wait for round 2. They can't participate in round 1. Cutoff revision happens for sure. There are officially 2 rounds. I have explained the process of counseling. You can check out the previous videos. Okay, so last year totally 3608 seats were there, and in private 950 seats, in government 2650 seats were there. Okay, and in DRNB 2201 seats. So totally last year 5800 approx seats were there. Okay, this year is going to be more than 6000 or like 6300 something when the DRNB seats get published. Okay, totally government seats are 2719, and private seats are 1315. Okay, I could have given you the details branch wise, but since it's a rough data they have given, the branch name also they have not mentioned properly. Okay, so I'm not going with that blind numbers. Okay, to give you a introspection on like how many seats are incremented particular to a branch. Okay, but this will give you an idea how many seats are incremented. Okay, and some new institutions are also got new seats. Existing colleges have got new seats in different branches. Okay, so this platform is going to be very valuable for your entire NEET SS counseling. You can browse through our channel, you can browse through the website, you can log in on the website, and you can see what informations you can get on the portal, and then you can choose to avail it. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.